Hello everyone, welcome to this video tutorial on Openasapp. The scenario for our application is build a handy application that can test the personality traits of a human being. So for today's video, we are looking at the Excel sheet that we prepared for our Openasapp application. So let's get started. As you remember, there were 50 statements in our application which help you to test the personality, and based on those personality you were supposed to give rankings. So, and when those rankings are given, they are calculated at the back. So this is the whole scenario about the today's video. So let me show you how I prepared this Excel. So these are as you can see on the B column, there are 50 statements that I have kept, and under C column I have kept those same 50 statements but under data validation, and under D column I have kept the ratings based on data validation. The data validation for the column D is kept under G, that is 1 to 5. I have considered this particular set as the data validation list for the D column, and for C column I have taken these 50 statements as the list for the data validation. So what I've done is I've applied if function. So if B is equals to C, then the result is taken from D. Let me show you the same in sheet 2, which is our calculation sheet. So these the values under the C column are all fixed values, and under this and from D column onwards, these are the ones which are based on the formulas. So like I told you, if B is equals to C, then the true statement is D. That is, if they are true, then the value will be taken from D, otherwise it is 0. So if under sheet 1 B2 is equals to C2, then the resultant is taken from D2. So the same kind of formula has been followed in all the other cells. Just the difference is under calculation, some cells require negative values, so those particular changes have been made in the formulas of those cells. So after this is done, the sum, which you can see under the N column, is showed in our application, and based on these sum you are able to judge your personality type. So over here, if you see, the major 3 personality types are agreeableness, conscientiousness, and openness to experience. So these are the 3 personality types or personality traits that particular person would have. So that is all for today's video. Thank you, and keep watching our video.